Hello everyone, this is my review of the Zexuke Mudflaps for the Toyota Tacoma. The first thing I noticed was the custom fit design. These are specifically designed for the 2024 to 25 Tacoma, without wheel flares to align with the mounting points and sit flush. That fit makes a big difference in how they look and perform. Next up is the build quality. The material is rigid PP plastic, which feels durable and can withstand road debris, rocks, mud, and wet conditions. That gives me confidence for off-road driving and harsher weather. What I really appreciate is the protection side, since I drive on gravel, mud, and sometimes wet roads. Having splash guards that reduce dirt and protect the paint and undercarriage helps keep the truck looking cleaner and honestly reduces cleanup time after a rough day. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind, because it's a specific fit for the 2024 to 25 Tacoma without fender flares. You'll want to verify your truck's configuration before buying. If your model has wheel flares or ATRD Pro trim, please note that these may not be compatible. Additionally, although the installation is no drill and utilizes existing mounting points, it is still recommended to check the tightness after a few drives and ensure the screws remain secure. Overall, if you're looking for aftermarket mud flaps that fit your 2024 to 2025 Tacoma well, protect your paint and undercarriage, and hold up under road abuse, then these are the ones for you. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.